All of the retailers would be especially the retailers that do opals and pearls solely, would be like, wow.
Hi, it's Peter here. I'm at AJS headquarters and I'm with Renata today. How are you, Renata?
Very good, thank you, Peter.
That's good. And we're discussing jewellery cleaning, and we're in particular talking about the Iron Stream in-store jewellery cleaning kit. Renata, what's an Iron Stream jewellery cleaning kit made up of?
The kit itself is made up of your parasource, leads, anode, container to hold your electrolytic solution, because this Iron Stream kit is based on electrolytic cleaning, and it also includes the iron salt concentrate that you need to mix up with water. That amount there, very easy mixing up. This is the cup that you need for measuring, and then it just gets mixed up with deionized water. That's a hard word for me.
Yeah, so we use 50 millilitres of this solution
to make up a litre.
With some 1 litre of distilled water. We pop it into one of these containers. We've got a power source here.
Yep.
We've got a anode.
Yep.
And a cathode. And we've got some dirty jewellery.
We've got some dirty jewellery as well. But also importantly, with that container that is also part of the kit, you get 2 lids. So when you mix up your iron salt concentrate, the solution, you can keep it in this container. When you're working, you use the lid with the cutouts. When you finished, you just simply remove the lid with the cutout and replace it with the provided lid that is fully closed, and you can store your solution until it stops working.
Now, Renata, there's a number of cleaning systems around, but why is it really good to use this cleaning system over other cleaning solutions?
Well, it's just like, it's so easy, and the best thing is you can clean anything with this system. Normally, the other most common way of cleaning jewelry is using ultrasonic. When it comes to ultrasonic is built for heavy duty industrial use. So if you have a lot of jewelry with pearls, with turquoise, with opals, or with coral, you actually can't use ultrasonic to clean them. Whilst with our Iron Stream cleaner, you can use that Iron Stream on anything: gold, silver, platinum, diamonds, plus all of the delicates that I just listed. You can use that in the comfort of your store, and it's very safe to use as well.
So ultrasonic, that contains some vibration.
That's correct.
Miniature little vibration, yes. Whereas there's no vibration here.
No.
It's just pure electrolysis.
Electrolysis, that's right. Yeah.
Now we've got some dirty jewellery here, and you mentioned it's really good to use with opals, precious stones,
pearls.
Yep.
Yeah, any delicate stones. So, there might be some stones that, like diamonds, are fine to go into ultrasonic, but say your emeralds, your turquoise, and any of those more delicate stones that might be a little bit more porous are best to be cleaned in this lovely, gentle system.
Indeed. So let's give it a whirl. What's involved? Which item will we start with?
This is so easy. This is one of the reasons I love using this system. So maybe we'll just start with this lovely opal ring. You can see the buildup of oxides around the opal and behind. Now all I need to do is, I've got the power source already plugged in. Now this is rechargeable, so you don't actually have to have it plugged into electricity.
Okay.
You just recharge it and you can use it anywhere. And then all you need to do is hook your piece of jewelry onto this hook here, and then immerse and agitate.
And then we should see a little bit of activity.
Yeah, we should see a little bit.
And it's only acting on the dirt, isn't it, and the grime?
That's correct.
Anyway, so we're going to let that one do its thing.
Oh, there we go, see?
Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
There's action aplenty.
It's like if you put a fizzy bomb into your bathtub. That's sort of an activity that you will be seeing.
I haven't done that lately.
Okay, well maybe you need to wait a couple of months.
We've got quite a bit of jewellery that we're going to clean using this system. And we'll show you some before and after photos. They'll come up on the screen, and we'll certainly give you an update on this particular one as well. And I'll be interested to see how it all comes up. Now, once we've got this to a state that we're happy that it's clean, there's a bit more to the process, isn't there?
There is.
Yeah,
Well,
so what would you do next once it's clean?
once it's cleaned, I would simply remove it. I mean, you are in a safe, even though, you know, there is electric current running through the device. You can't get hurt unless the device is actually in the water, and everything is very beautifully insulated as well. So you are very safe. And then dunk it in water. Get a nylon brush.
Now, AJS sell these brushes as well.
Yeah. And just go over the nooks and crannies just quickly, because what the cleaning solution does, especially if you've got heavy buildup of oxides, it sort of breaks it down and softens the layer. So then if you go over with the brush,
because you're not using any energy there, you're just wiping it essentially.
yeah, pretty much. So
yeah,
getting rid of that, and then simply dry, and then you can use one of our wonderful Town Talk polishing cloths. We've got cloths for silver as well as for gold. This is the miniature one. They also come in bigger size, and then you just give it that final sort of polish, which just shines it up, so all of your oxides are gone.
So that's coming up beautifully already then, Renata?
Yeah. Very good. I mean, because there was so much of the the oxidization that was on the ring behind the stone, you couldn't see it, but it's pretty heavy. Half of it is gone. If you've got something that is that heavily oxidized, you might need to spend a little bit more time, maybe 1 more minute, on dislodging all of that oxidization. But yeah, this looks so much better, and it was like 30 seconds or something. Yeah. So it happens very fast.
So just show the camera.
Show the camera. So yeah, another 30 seconds and I'd be able to
And we'll do some more jewellery and show you some more before and afters. Thank you so much for that, Renata.
My pleasure, Peter.
And if you're interested in any of this product, just go to ajsonline.com. It'll be there for you. And we'll look forward to speaking with you soon. Thanks, Renata.
Thank you too, Peter. I'm just doing a little clean up here already.
You're a good housewife.
But all of the retailers would be especially the retailers that do opals and pearls solely, would be like, wow, this is
and that's where this comes into its own.
Exactly.
But into this iron stream,
they can.
it'll do the job.
Yes.
Beautiful.